I want to appreciate all the party leaders, all the senior executives, in fact, all my leaders in Edo. I want to say thank you. This is wonderful. All the women, the children, the youth, everyone that have come out to say welcome. And I want to appreciate them. And I want to say I am so excited, and it's a great homecoming. It's a new dawn, a renewed hope. I'm using this opportunity to thank His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. His vision of the renewed hope for Nigeria is what we are marching upon, is what we are standing upon. And I want to say that as the new national woman leader, I am here to support the vision, and I'm here to carry the vision across the 36 states of Nigeria and FCT.
This is a phenomenon. It's a phenomenon, and we are happy, we are glad that she is about to make a monumental mark. And I trust her, I believe in her, and I know she can make impact in the lives of the women, in the lives of the girl child, and in the lives of our people generally. And he has kicked the ground running, and he has started to work. And today he's paying our first visit to our home state. And we want to thank God for what God has done.
With all my leaders, I did not come with my boys. The leaders of the Arewa, I came with them to show our happiness. Why I must be happy with Gonduje? The Gonduje know the pains of people of Edo State. He know the pains. We are the one that they brought the Gonduje for, because he know Edo State. He know the pain of the people of Edo State. He know what we need in Edo State, and that's why they brought Mrs. Aliye for us. And we are celebrating. We will continue to celebrate it now.
I want to seriously thank you. I want to say, somebody was saying they are just like that. Yes, it's just like that. When God is in control, all protocol is broken. And I want to say that the position, the highly exalted position I find myself, honestly, I was in shock. That is the power of God. And I looked, somebody told me your capacity, you are equal to it. And I looked at myself, and my husband told me, and my husband said, you have been preparing for this day, when you are go and conquer. So after that, I got enough energy. All of a sudden, we were in Abuja. All of a sudden, there was offices. All of a sudden, there were policemen. All of a sudden, there were a lot of people. Every protocol was broken. Things will be done differently. And I know that as I am there, that all the women in Edo will rejoice. And indeed, you say you have a daughter in Abuja.
I congratulate her, and I congratulate APC family. You know, being a woman leader of a state, of the national party, being a national woman of a party is not an easy task. And I want to urge her to carry all the women along so that there will be progress in the party, especially in Edo State. So I wish her well, and I wish the party well, and I congratulate her and the APC family.
Dr. Mary Alile, to the square peg, the square hole. That's what I can describe her. She has the capacity to deliver. That is the reason why she is called Madam Capacity. She's a woman that will show leadership and give sense of direction to the women in Edo State and Nigeria as a whole. And I believe that the women, they are proud of her. She will not disappoint us.
Today, we are celebrating an Amazon, a capacity woman, woman of intelligence, woman with wisdom, woman of grace. Today, we can see the arena that how happy everybody is. It has never happened in the history of APC for the Edo State to produce a national woman leader. National woman leader office coming to Edo State is a thing of joy. We are very, very happy. We are overwhelmed that we have a daughter that is a national woman leader. National woman leader is one of the highest ranking of the party. Having it in Edo State, it has never happened, and we are very happy.
The woman is capable. She has what it takes to be a woman leader. She's intelligent, a good mother, a good wife with a responsible husband, a grassroots mobilizer, a woman of substance. We have no doubt in our mind that women have the capacity to lead Nigerian women to the greatest height, a height that has not been attained before.